What's up, guys? It's time. We're about to do it. Here it goes. This is the first ever episode, season 2. It's here right now. What is up, everybody, and welcome back to this episode, one of the first in season 2 of the Tyler Show vlogs. That's right, guys, it is season 2. Last season you saw the Mariner of the Seas, you saw the beautiful Navigator of the Seas, you saw the beautiful Harmony of the Seas, and in this season, as of right now, you guys are planning to see the Independence of the Seas coming up in a few episodes. But before that, we got a little bit of time to kill before that adventure. So in the meanwhile, we're going to go see some other people embark on a cruise. And no, we are not going to the terminal and dropping off people. No, we are going to a beach a few miles away from the beautiful port of Canaveral, and we're going to be seeing Harmony and the Norwegian Sun depart Port Canaveral. It should be super fun. Now, again, this location we're going to be going to, it's a few miles away, so you guys should see some long distance time lapses. I'm also shooting some other videos. We're on vacation, guys, so we're doing it. We're going to head to Port Canaveral right now.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. We made it here to the beautiful Cherry Down Park here in Cocoa Beach. We're waiting for the Harmony. It's leaving in about 3 hours. So I think the sun goes first, but should be a great SAILAWay. In the meantime, we're gonna get some nice B-roll of the beach. You wanna see the cool B-roll, cool shots. It's all coming up in this episode of season 2. Alright, guys, I know the video footage wasn't exactly the best for that time lapse. She isn't actually coming in right now because she's still out there. So instead, guys, you're gonna see Harmony. You're gonna see the Norwegian Sun, I think, is going first today. But it's almost time for SAILAWay. So here we go. Here is the beautiful SAILAWay from Port Canaveral of the Harmony and the Norwegian Sun. again, guys, that's the harmony of the seas. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys dig the vibes, as Griff and Alyssa would say, please subscribe. And if you guys care, please share. And remember, guys, I do publish new amazing cruise videos, cruise vlogs, travel, and films every single week. So make sure you guys come and subscribe so you don't miss any of that amazing content. Speaking of cruising, here we are, Port Canaveral. I'm going to end this officially at home. Again, guys, that wraps us up for this episode in season number 2. Again, hopefully you guys are enjoying the new format of the seasons. This may shift over a while, but it's exciting, guys. There are a whole lot more vlogs coming out on this season. Should be the best season I've ever produced of vlogs. But again, as I said over there, back at Port Canaveral, if you guys dig the vibes, please subscribe, and if you guys care, again, please share. And guys, until the next episode, I am Tyler, and you are watching The Tyler Show.